Here we are touring a DVC bungalow at the Polynesian Resort in February 2022. This is a room generally we would never book, as we will never have enough points for this. This is a beautiful bungalow to stay in with great views over the Magic Kingdom. When you enter, the first bedroom on the left sleeps 3 people. You have the double bed and the pull down bed. You have a view that overlooks the resort. Lots of storage in these rooms. There's cupboards, drawers in each of the rooms. Across the hallway is the second double bedroom. This is a king size bed. We did question this with the cast member and they said it seems a king size. This room sleeps 2. This room also has a door out onto the deck. So in the morning, if you wanted to wander out and have your morning coffee overlooking Magic Kingdom, you can. This room has as an ensuite bathroom with 2 sinks, a walk-in shower, and a nice deep bath. We did say at the time that this bath seemed a lot deeper than the other ones in Disney World, as they all seemed quite shallow when we were there. There's lots of storage again in here. Leaving this main bedroom, across the hallway is the main family bathroom, which has the separate toilet with a sink and also has an over bath shower. Carrying on down the hallway, you come into the main living area, which has another pull down bed, sitting area, dining room and kitchen. There's also a double Murphy bed, so this area can sleep 3. The pool on the deck is not heated. However, in the Floridian heat, you probably don't need it heated. Amazing view across Magic Kingdom. Very well appointed kitchen with a oven, hob, dishwasher and full-size fish freezer. Also has a microwave. All cutlery and crockery is supplied in these DVC rooms. Would you stay in this bungalow if you could afford it, and if you had enough points? Let us know.